last year, January, February, I took some allopathic treatment, IUI treatment for second child. So we waited for 4.5 years for naturally conceiving. After taking this Gynoveda medicine, I thought I should have known this Gynoveda before 5 years. But this is so wonderful. Without any other medicine, only I took Gynoveda last year from March and I conceived.
Before taking Gynoveda medicines, which other fertility treatments you have gone through?
For my first child, I went through some allopathic treatment for 1.5 years. Lot of medicine, lot of injections, IUI, etc. I don't like that. I took lot of precautions, a lot of natural treatment, etc. But nothing worked. Initially, I didn't believe it. Then, I saw a lot of positive reviews. Then it was Ayurvedic, so why I not try this Ayurvedic? Let's try and see. Like Ayurvedic medicines, they will give the result very slowly, not suddenly. So that is the basic idea about Ayurveda. I didn't expect a result in 9 months. I thought it will take a long time. First, I thought my periods will get regular, then I will get conceived. But before my periods got regular, I got pregnant. I didn't expect it as such a wonderful result with this. I just tried and I found it's very good. Suddenly, I felt very thankful to Gynoveda medicines. Thank you too for nice medicines.